Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today we're going to have a look at this Just Fit compact blower. It's this one's set up for Makita batteries, but there are other versions available. It is ridiculously cheap on eBay. I picked this one up, I think, for about £13. It is a copy of a Makita blower. It's obviously a very similar or familiar shape, and what I thought I'd do is just show you, do a little unboxing, first impressions of this device. If you're not already a subscriber, do hit the subscribe button and ding the bell, and then you'll know when our next video comes out. So yeah, I had this, I bought one of these specifically because I just wanted something that I could have at home to actually just blow up an air mattress and maybe, you know, clean some things. This is what comes in the box. We've got a hose, great, lovely. We've got the device itself, and we'll do a little bit of a walk round of that in a moment. We got a little bag which attaches to the side. This is really, it's a rough vacuum if you turn it round, but I wouldn't use it like that. We've got some attachments, so we've got something that looks a little bit like a Hoover attachment, but obviously for blowing. We've got an adapter there. We've got a smaller, narrower attachment. We have another little attachment. And then we have the main nozzle itself, which I think we're very familiar on the Makita blower. And we have a very generic set of instructions or operator manual. It seems to cover all of their tools, so it's not very useful. Right, so to the device itself, this is it. It is slightly more compact than the Makita one, and if I just swap hands here, you'll see your hand is very close to the blower part, whereas on the actual Makita original one, you're a bit further away. These are just very obvious items that I've seen, you know, just unboxing it. On the Makita, this part is rubber. On this one, it is a plastic, and you know, feels quite a bit cheaper than the rubber one, although it is malleable enough. And that was sort of one of the things about the, you know, Makita rubber one, is that you know, it enables you to sort of get it into places to blow things out. So it does just attach on the front very easily. There we go. It just, oops, it's very difficult with one hand. Come on, there we go. So it goes on and twists on. There we go. The same. And then we just need to sort of attach a battery. Now on the Makita, it has, I think, if I remember, a slider for 3 speeds, and then the trigger is variable. So let's get a battery on it. Now, in true Budget with Brian style, I'm not putting an original on there. This is a aftermarket battery as well. Right, oh dear. There we go, battery's on. There it is with the battery on. And yeah, it does have a soft start or a variable trigger position, which is good. I would say a very similar blowing pressure. I would actually say the Makita is slightly better. The noise, though, is quite it's not considerably higher. It does seem a little louder, and it's not quite the same. But hey, look, you know, for £13 delivered, is this going to do the job that I'm going to ask it for, which is blowing up an air mattress and then just generally having some kind of duster at home? Yeah, it is. And when I look at the Makita prices, at the moment for, I think I paid about £50 for mine, maybe 48, something like that. And I'm sort of seeing them sort of like 60, 70 at the moment. So everything's sort of gone up a little bit. So this is hard to sort of put down as a Makita copy, or just a copy of a Makita. I'm not really asking too much of it. So it looks like it will do the job I'm asking for. Weight feels heavier than the Makita, weirdly, even though it's actually slightly smaller. What else can I tell you? The plastics around it are a little bit sharper. It's definitely, you know, cheaper made. This part here actually I feel is smaller, so that may be part of the answer of why it doesn't perhaps blow as hard. But all in all, you know, as a first look, I'm quite happy with it, especially at the price. And some of the other tools that I've bought, which are sort of Makita copies, like the grinder, for example. Where is it? I'll link to the video up here. That grinder's been fantastic, and I think that was only something like £17. So all in all, pretty happy with it. Thanks again for watching Budget with Brian, and if you're not already, please subscribe.